Well, lads.
Alright. I needed to come this morning. Woke up at like 6 o'clock and I was like...
What were you up to last?
Too much for you?
Nothing, literally nothing. I just woke up and you know when you just feel like you're going to be ill? I'm going to be ill like that.
Where are we?
Upstairs.
It's probably been
Where are we?
NEC. 26 quid. That's expensive now, isn't it?
Or 20 quid for...
How have you got it for 20 quid? Oh, the ticket.
You should have said you were as a child, you might have passed.
We've had stuff in the unit, it never does that. That's all been sprayed on. It's been wet, look, it's been wet, and then they've just, they've emptied the Hoover out over it. They've got the Dyson and emptied it out.
Does look a bit too...
It looks a bit too suspect, doesn't it? I can't spell fake.
This adds value though, isn't it? If you put it up for sale and it's covered in dirt, that's like our barn find extra 10 grand.
So what they used to do is you use them on a bank job because they can chuck the thing underneath. I learned that off, you remember Heartbeat?
Yeah.
Heartbeat, they had it.
So they use these for bank jobs because you can put a shotgun underneath apparently, that's what Dave said. I thought they were quite fast and handled well, but not the shotgun bit.
No, yeah. Well, back in the day, they used to use the old Ford Transit, didn't they? Because nothing could catch you.
That's what our cosy looked like.
You know, it makes me feel better when you see stuff like that and you think, well, what we've done on the car.
I wonder when they decided that wood wasn't a very good building material for cars.
Actually, my dream car is a DB5. But if you can't ever afford a DB5, you can have one of these.
It's our next car, isn't it? One of these comes up cheap.
They're not cheap anymore, mate.
No, they didn't make many of them.
Apparently they used to twist after up to a certain speed. They used to twist, so they didn't do very well. But now you could get one for about 7 grand at one point, and now you have to get a small loan now. On your house, on your house. Always had a thing, sharp turbo.
The gold wheel.
Mate,
sharp turbo.
Have you ever watched that film?
Yeah.
Paid in Full or something, and he goes and gets the BBS here.
Yeah. If you got a spider web on like that, add 50 quid for it. Don't think.
So listen. So we're going to tell you, right? Yeah. This is what he thinks he had, and in reality, he had one of them over there. Sorry, man.
I remember this engine,
This is way better than you.
Mine had.
See there, would have pulled up.
The mice chewed all that. That pipe was in the boot, and it had just an air filter sitting on. Dave, remember? Jake told me that my car. We took it for a MOT at Jake's garage,
and they poked loads of holes in it underneath. Said it's rotten. It's a nail.
I kind of got that pissed off.
But when we went and brought it off this kid, me and Jake was like, "What are you doing? If it looked like this, I'd have gave him a bit of respect." But ideally, it was a Panda with an Uno engine, weren't it?
Oh, it was a proper Uno turbo. 1,900, 1,700 quid. I paid 1,700 quid for it, and I sold it recently in lockdown, and it was sitting outside rotting away, so I ended up selling it. But it was a good little car. You had your rally, we had a little, you know.
Was this the one with the little guy on the side?
Yes, the little. He had. I'll have to get a picture of.
What was he called?
Off the drink advert.
Lil.
7 Up.
7 Up or Lil.
He was he called a certain guy with curtains and that from the 90s.
Ben's got a cheap Prada.
Can't start it up and give it a good rev. They just sound wicked.
Just ask them, he might do it.
They don't look like them type of people. you know the Williams Clio? It was when Williams and Vauxhall, Renault was partnered
F1.
up, didn't they, on the
Yeah,
F1, and they won something, so they released one of these,
Like,
didn't
they
they?
did a 16 valve, which is 180,
Yeah.
and then the Williams was a 2 litre.
Yeah. And it was
gold
because
wheel.
they won, didn't they, or
Yeah,
something?
it's
So
like,
it was
well, you know the Megane, they did an
Yeah,
R26
yeah.
Megane F1.
Yeah.
When they won, so
when they win something or
They
something
put-
gets done,
yeah.
they release a special one, and that was it. They're good money now,
yeah.
real good money.
That's what you guys are going to be like by the time you finish this Cosworth.
I think it is.
R.I.P.
That's Dave, obviously, he's smiling.
But things are 500 as well.
So glad you managed to bring it to the show.
Dave's been absolutely desperate to find any Cozzies, any Sierras, anything like that. He's been walking around there looking at Morris Minors and just thinking, what's going on here? And now he's happy. He's getting his money's worth now.
This is the goal, this is. Sell ours, get a 3-door, sell that, get one of these. Cosworth there as well, Stokes to get wet in it.
Well, from the
It's a good position, isn't it, next to the Patsy store.
See, this is the same colour and look at it.
Look at it.
Like,
That's a whole
Just
80s.
I know obviously, I know it's alright. Look at that next to that.
Dave's just decided that actually ours isn't that good and we'll just leave it where it is now, I think. Sell it in bits.
What sits on the back?
He's changed it because that's
Oh, he has, yeah, no, look. So there, a long one goes through there, look, because it's sat there. A long one through the bottom.
To be honest, all of his are coming out the back. I think he's changed this.
Oh, has it?
He's changed the bolts.
Yeah.
Because they're all long.
Remember the burgundy shell we had? That was a G-Reg originally, I think. And that, because this is a G-Reg, I think before they changed over to the 4x4, and they specced them up. Like they put full leather in them and everything.
I was going to say, because ours.
And this, see the dash is black on this.
Stop giving him spec on. I know, yeah.
Don't leave that.
You're on my back all the time. We've got something else, haven't we? And we're just so eager to start on it, but we can't, because that's another strip down and bring back. It's even worse condition.
Is it?
Yeah.
Even if the Cozzy isn't done, we want to start showing off this next car because it's like, it is something really special.
Is it?
Yeah. It's better than Scott.
Is it?
Yeah.
Under time.
Yeah. Yeah, we can't tell you what it is, mate. Honestly, we fell upon it, didn't we? And yeah, it's what?
I don't
It's the
think you'd ever
holy
guess it.
grail, mate.
Yeah, holy grail.
Honestly, we're so excited about it.
The car is the reason why we started the channel anyway.
Oh, right.
But they had the Cozzy anyway.
No, we had the Cozzy, and then he had the idea to say, look, we're going to restore it anyway. So why don't we do it on YouTube? Because he watches, all he does every morning, I've been watching this on YouTube. He doesn't watch normal telly no more. He's just YouTube, right? So then he was like, let's start this. So he rang me up, got me all excited. I put the phone down, 30 seconds later, I've only got the follow-up. And he went, what? And I was like, I've been offered this. And I was like, I weren't interested in it. I said, do you want to go and look at it? He went, yeah. Straight away, we were just like, yeah, let's go and look at it. And then, we ended up buying it.
But it's been killing us because it's just been sat.
It's just sat there. We've had to move it around 2 or 3 times now, haven't we? Honestly, when we release it, you'll know what it is. You know, if you're into your cars, you're not, yeah. And it needs it. It needs a few quid spending on it, but we're going to be in the same spot in about 2 years, aren't we?
Hopefully we're going to try and get the car.
Yeah, I can't say much. Nice to meet you again. See you all later.
Music cop.
Here we're revealing the next project apparently.
You got a picture?
You got some cash in your dad.
Alright, tell him to give my grand that.
Sam, head tank clean, isn't it?
Yeah, so.
Can't even get them.
See how that's all gone like that? Ours is gone like that. You know if you can get a mint one of them. £1,000.
Can't even get them.
Is this the next project?
I'm going to get you this.
Me?
Go to work. It's a 2-seater.
Series 2, look. They ain't the big dog.
That's why he's given up on it.
Yeah. Oh, do you know what it is though? sometimes people die. I know it sounds bad to say, but and then instead of like someone else taking over, they just get rid of them.
28 I'll take at 28,000 bid, then 30's next at 28 bid, 30's next at 28 bid, 30 if you like at 28 bid, 28 bid left-handed, and 30's next. Up to you, in the room, online, on a phone, 30, 29, I'll take 29, 30's next against you. Thank you, online bidder.
Look underneath. Some of them stick on the underneath as well.
It looks like they all do.
Obviously, this inlet is slightly
Jake took it apart like wonky or something.
You cut off one.
Look at the finish on this. It's not
No.
gloss.
Oh no, it's like a matte. So he's dipstick chip like ours.
Actually, none of them have got much meat on.
I think he's just chatting shit. He's
Just to know what he's doing.
Yeah.
Oh, you wouldn't sell it after all. Just showing it. Tried something a bit different today, and we've come to the classic car restoration shop.
Get a few tips.
Yeah.
Well, we need a lot of tips.
Yeah, 12 months too late. Though.
Yeah. Well, no, I think he's going to come in handy now because we took about 10,000 pictures of Cosworth engines because at this very moment in time we're stuck. So yeah.
No, we're not stuck.
Yeah, if you want, Cole.
So we're going to have a little look round.
Yeah.
That's one on Car Cartel.
A good day at the car show today.
Yes, we've had a good day at the car
We've
show.
seen some nice motors, haven't we?
Yes.
There was an auction on,
There was an auction on.
as they should see in the episode when we walked around. We might have done a buy on something.
We've been to a car show. Car Cartel has been to a car show, and we bought a car. That's all I can say.
Stay tuned.
And if you like, it's a bit different. We went to a car show. We're going for it. We record it. If you like it, you know what I mean. We go to car shows throughout the year. If you want us to carry on doing little bits like that and find it interesting, if not, we won't record it.
Drop a little comment below.
Yeah.
Tell us what cars you liked, what you see on the episode.
And what you think we might have bought,
Yeah.
because
Have a little guess in that.
Yeah.
It's always a good guessing game.
it is.
So yeah, we'll wrap it up now. Please like, follow, share and subscribe.
And hit the bell icon. Me and Dave are going to crack on with other stuff.
Stuff.
Because we're at the HQ.